throwing immense amounts of heavy chrome and wood veneer at a vehicle just to feign luxury, relying on passive dampening systems that fail to isolate passengers from harsh road vibrations, and traditional long-wheelbase executive flagships feeling completely cumbersome in complex urban corridors. For generations, the peak of executive transport was an exclusive, heavily guarded club ruled by legacy European badges. But right now, the entire definition of automotive opulence is being aggressively rewritten by a high-tech, ultra-exclusive masterpiece. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava. Today, we are breaking down a highly restricted, masterfully engineered phenomenon designed to shatter the old guard, the all-new NIO ET9 Horizon Special Edition. Measuring an imposing 5.3 meters in length with a massive 3.2-meter wheelbase, the ET9 Horizon establishes supreme road presence with its elegant, fastback silhouette. This is an ultra-rare, high-status statement vehicle limited to an elite global production circle, presenting a striking, heaven-and-earth, dual-tone paint layout and bespoke mirror-polished 23-inch forged wheels. Let's look at the data. Open the automatically operating, sensory-controlled power doors, and you step into an uncompromising 4-seat private suite that completely redefines mobile productivity. The interior architecture is divided by a beautiful 2.15-meter executive bridge console that flows seamlessly from the front dashboard to the rear lounge. The rear first-class seats offer a near-flat 135-degree recline angle, 20-way comprehensive power adjustments, and an array of 11 distinct one-touch comfort features including deep-tissue pneumatic massage grids. Look at the extreme attention to detail. The Horizon Special Edition deploys a meticulous material mix, pairing premium North American maple wood with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy inlays. From the active road noise cancellation system and 7 automated power sunshades to the integrated smart refrigerator and a secure 8-liter rear safe, every single inch of this cabin has been engineered to serve as a silent, ultra-private sanctuary for high-level executives. Let's bypass the outer aesthetics and focus on the monumental engineering hidden beneath the skin. The ET9 Horizon is debuting a historical first for the industry, a complete, global 900-volt high-voltage electrical architecture. Operating at peak system voltages exceeding 920 volts, it pairs with NIO's Thunder electric drive system to unleash a colossal 697 horsepower through a dual-motor, all-wheel drive configuration, effortlessly launching this heavy executive vault from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds with total acoustic silence. But the true crown jewel of this platform is the SkyRide fully active suspension system. Developed with millisecond precision hydraulic actuators, each wheel can adjust its height and compression metrics independently, completely instantly, reacting to road imperfections within 1 single millisecond. Combined with a highly advanced steer-by-wire matrix and an aggressive 8.3-degree rear-wheel steering setup, the ET9 Horizon actively glides over consecutive bumps, keeping the cabin absolutely, perfectly flat as the Horizon itself, regardless of the terrain underneath. This brings us directly to my definitive tactical verdict. Does the NIO ET9 Horizon Special Edition truly deliver a genuine luxury ride? My analysis indicates an absolute, definitive yes. NIO didn't just clone what the German heritage brands have been doing for decades. Instead, they took the concept of an executive flagship and injected it with bleeding-edge computing power, self-developed 5-nanometer smart driving chips, and a suspension system that genuinely defies physics. By limiting this special edition run, NIO is targeting the absolute top tier of the global elite, buyers who demand the utmost exclusivity paired with tomorrow's technological capability. It completely shifts the value equation, proving that true modern luxury isn't just about heritage names anymore. It's about unparalleled mechanical and digital precision. If you want to track the absolute front lines of automotive engineering, premium electric flagships, and high-end mobility analysis, hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. Drop your raw analytical insights in the comments below. Would you deploy your capital on this 900-volt Chinese masterpiece over a traditional Maybach? I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the very next technical breakdown.